Cookie swirl, see?
Yeah, Oh, great, yes. Cool. See you in a minute. Beep, who are you on the phone with? Oh, that was my brother. He's gonna stop by and say hi. Oh, your brother's coming over? Yep, he's gonna be here any minute. Oh, it looks like he's here now. I better go let him in. I want to see what PB brother looks like.
All right, Cookie fans, PB's brother is here. Let's open up the door.
Wait a minute, that's Luau.
Sup? So for today's DIY craft video, we are gonna give this LOL surprise boy a totally peanut buttery makeover. We're gonna make him into the brother of PB.
Cool.
So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get started with this hair. So we need to give him a brand new color because this teal color does not say peanut butter at all. This acrylic paint color looks really peanut buttery. Let's give it a good shake. Let's see this color. Ooh, yep, that is really rich and creamy. This color actually looks like peanut butter. I feel like I'm dipping my brush in real peanut butter, you guys, but of course it's not. So for this first coat of paint, yep, I'm just gonna go in and paint his hair. Now I'll go in with a smaller brush. That way I can paint the sides of his hair just a little bit easier. You can kind of get a little bit closer to his skin and make it easier to paint around his hairline. And paint this front little piece right here. He's got a little piece of hair that just kind of has fallen right in front of his face. And then once that first layer dries, I'll go in and paint a second coat on his hair. There we go. Now it's starting to look good, but I may have to do several coats just so it won't look so splotchy. All right, his hair is looking amazing. Now I don't need to paint his eyes because they're already brown, so that way it matches with his sister. But I do want to go in and color in his lip color. So I'm going to use just a little squeeze of some paint on my brush. Change the color from red to more of a peanut buttery color. Now I'm also gonna go in and paint his little earring. I'm gonna paint it a gold color. I mean, since he is a PB boy, he likes everything to be these warm colors. So of course, this golden metal tone is gonna look perfect in his ear. Now we can get started on his clothes. So I'm just gonna have him swap his shirt with Sunny. There we go. And just think that this long sleeve just kind of suits him a little bit peanut buttery better. Now to paint his hoodie, I'm going to actually use this creamy white color called Toasted Marshmallow, which is such an awesome name for paint. Whoop. And I'm just gonna paint this whole entire hoodie this creamy color. Now I'm gonna go in and do a little bit of some details. I thought it would be fun to kind of match what his sister has going on here. On her bows, I actually painted it like a darker kind of Nutella brown color. Now I tried to paint the bows to kind of be a little peanut shaped. So I'm gonna go in with his hoodie and actually paint teeny tiny little peanuts all over it. So I've got a dark brown here. Ooh, looks like that actually needs to be mixed up. That one hasn't been touched in a long time. Take the end of a paintbrush and just kind of mix it together. Ugh, there we go. Much better. Now I'm gonna go in with my toothpick and I'm gonna paint teeny tiny little peanuts. Yes, peanuts on his hoodie. Now peanuts come in all different shapes. Cute little peanuts all over. Now I'm gonna go in with his sister, and even though she's already done and completed, I'm just gonna kind of fix up these peanuts just a little bit more. Little peanut color bows, just so they match with her brother just a little bit more. Just give him a little bit more of a shape. Because of course when I created her, I had no idea that she would have a little brother. It was before the boys got released. So just make these a little bit more peanutty shape, but they're still bows. Just kind of round out the bow edges a little bit. There we go. Now I'm gonna go in with this more like reddier peanut buttery color right on my brush. And just like his sister's coloring, I'm just gonna add a little detail of that to his hoodie just to kind of darken it up a little bit. And also add that detail to the sleeves of the hoodie. Get a little paint on my toothpick. I can paint the strings of his hoodie. One more peanut right in the middle. Now I'm gonna go in with that brighter color, and I'm also going to paint his pants. Now I'm gonna go back in with that creamy toasted marshmallow color and just paint on some details to the side of his pants and to the top. Now to paint his super cute little shoes, I'm gonna bring back that darker brown color. It's the same color that I used to paint the little peanuts on his shirt, and just paint the tops of his shoes that color. So that way it will really help tie in the look. Then go back in with that creamy color, and now I'm gonna paint the bottoms of the shoes. This is gonna look so cute on him. Now I'm gonna go in with my matte varnish sealer, give it a good shake. And now everywhere I painted with the paint, I'm going to seal that paint in. So varnish is always the last step because this is what seals in all of that color and makes it playproof. Cookie fans, now let's open up the door. Let's see, what does he look like? There we go. Now that is PB's brother.
Hey sis, how's it going?
You guys, look at how cool he looks. I think he coordinates very, very nicely with his sister. They both have their updo hairstyle. That's that same peanut butter color. There's his earring that I painted golden color. He's got his hoodie on that has so many peanuts. That's the same color as his sister's bows. It's that creamy color. We've got that peanut butter color, and then we've got that darker color. So his shoes really do match his sister quite closely too. And the easiest thing about him is that his eye color was brown already, so I didn't even have to paint his brown eyes to match hers.
Hey PB boy, I'm so happy you're here.
Yeah, me too. Aw, nuts, I forgot to eat dinner. Do you have any food here?
Of course I have food here, of course.
Oh, hey peanut butter puppy. Okay, this is so cute, you guys. They look absolutely adorable together. What's that sound?
Yep, yep.
Who is Jelly on the phone with?
I'm calling over my brother too.
Oh, whoa, so Jelly has a brother as well. So you guys do not want to miss part 2 where we paint Jelly's brother. Looks like these two siblings are gonna hang out for the day, go get some food, probably eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Duh, it's our favorite food. I can't wait till my brother gets here.
Have the most delicious day today, Cookie fans, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Woohoo! All right, Cookie fans, you're at the end of the video. Does anyone remember what color did I paint PB Boy's earring again? Did I paint it gold, silver, or Nutella brown? Bye, Cookie fans.